Yeah, we're very happy. We have three machines in our factory we're demonstrating today, which have been given by the manufacturers, so they're supplied to us so we can do the demonstrations. We are the only manufacturer in Britain of this kind of tooling, and we've made a major investment in our facilities here. So people quite like to deal with a UK manufacturer, someone they can talk to if they have any problems or any questions.
Well, I think today's been really good, and it's good to see so many joinery companies involved in today. The BWF are here, software companies are here, and it's just been an enjoyable day where it's good to get all of the different stakeholders who are associated with making a window together.
Regarding why we came today is we're very traditional and we're very time consuming in what we do, the machines we have and the cutters. So coming here and seeing the setup time on this machine, what would take us 6 hours probably, it's just taking them about 8 minutes to make.
Whitehill are a leading manufacturer of tools in the UK, and the name of Whitehill is renowned, and it has been for many, many years. So it's good for us as a business to have a relationship or an association with such a renowned company.
A lot of the work that we do as a federation now is about helping people to find more effective ways of manufacturing the product, a real focus on productivity in the supply chain. And the work Whitehill are doing around window systems and improving cycle times is very powerful to supporting that growth of the UK joinery sector. I'm not a technical person myself, so it's great to see the products being made in new and innovative ways. So I've very much enjoyed that, and I think so has everyone else who's been here.
Whitehill's an English brand, they've been good to us, and we continue and like working with them, so that's what we get from it, so it's good.
It's been interesting. It's always just good to see what's happening and what's going on in the marketplace. I mean, it's like Vitongan are here and Martin, because the tooling is being run on the Vitongan machines. And it's good that we've seen some of our customers already today that are using our software. And I think it's a good day for us to be here to support them and just to understand a bit more of the marketplace.
They're a very well-respected company, a long-trading company in the UK. We've always had a machine in the factory so that he can test his tooling on, which helps him. So it's a good relationship. We work well with David. Very happy with the tooling and the support that we get. I'm quite happy to do it.
Oh no, I think it's been good today. It sounds like it's going to be expensive, but it's been a good day. So we need to convert that way, I think. So it's good to see it running, and it's always better to see something working than just you get a better idea of it. So no, it's been really good. So.
The machines are permanently in our factory, so in fact every day is a demo day. So if anyone wants to come in any day, they just ring up first, we can organise something for them.